welcome to the first episode of Salt Dash, brought to you by SimekScott. Salt Dash is a weekly video series with the goal of providing a quick summary of state tax updates. Today we will be talking about three topics. First up, Hertz versus the City of Chicago. Back in May of 2011, the City of Chicago took an aggressive position on a personal property lease transaction tax and basically stated that it should be imposed on car rentals by Chicago residents at suburban locations whereby that car rental company also has a location in the city, and whereby if they rent the car in the suburban location and that location is within 3 miles of the city's border, the lease transaction tax should be applied. Hertz thought this was absurd, obviously. They sued the City of Chicago in circuit court. Circuit court found for Hertz. Then the city appealed to the appeals court. The appellate court reversed the circuit court, and then Hertz appealed to the Illinois Supreme Court. Illinois Supreme Court found for Hertz and said it was an extraterritorial exercise and violated the Home Rule article under the Illinois Constitution. Takeaway, not much other than that you can see that sometimes the taxpayer does prevail, and the absurdity of even a state taking aggressive positions on its own rules sometimes can be in check. Next up, South Carolina. South Carolina is putting forth legislation to enact a click-through Nexus, and theirs basically states that whereby a retailer uses a South Carolina resident to promote and refer customers to the retailer through a web link, that sale will be subject to sales tax. This is very similar to a lot of the states. The real takeaway here is know where your web link is, know who's referring to, and where those referrals are coming from. Lastly, we want to talk to you quickly about the Illinois Edge Credit. Edge Credit is being extended to April 30th of 2017, and the Edge Credit applies to companies in the state that have operations and expand those operations, or if a company is moving its headquarters to the state. So if you're doing any of those activities and you may think that you might be avail yourselves of the Edge Credit, let us know if you have any questions. Otherwise, thank you very much, and we look forward to bringing you the next episode of Salt Dash. And as always, salt matters.